Air filters are normal wear items that require regular checks and replacement. Their role is to trap dirt particles that can cause damage to engine cylinders, walls, pistons, and piston rings. In fuel-injected vehicles, the air filter also plays a role in keeping contaminants off the airflow sensor. The engine management system can compensate for a dirty air filter up to a point, but when the restriction becomes too great, engine performance and fuel economy begin to suffer. Regular inspections are key to ensuring optimal engine performance, airflow, and horsepower. So inspect the air filter at each oil change or when other maintenance is being performed. Holding a bright shop light behind the filter element is the best inspection method. The generic rule of thumb is to replace air filters every 15,000 miles or once a year, or if it's leaking, torn, water or oil soaked, restricted, or showing other signs of wear. If your customer lives in an especially dusty or dirty area, the air filter will need to be changed more often. The factory recommended service intervals for air filters tend to be overly optimistic, with many in the 30,000 to 50,000 mile range. The life of any air filter depends on driving conditions, how much dirt the filter is exposed to, and the design of the filter itself. Some air filters have greater depth and holding capacity to extend filter life. There is a balance between it being highly efficient but not clogging up too quickly or becoming too restrictive. Air filter replacement shouldn't be a tough sell. Once you show a customer their dirty filter, the need for replacement becomes obvious. Further, taking time to educate your customer on the benefits of replacement will help make the choice for replacement a no-brainer. Use a high-quality filter and justify the cost by explaining the many benefits. A new air filter can extend engine life, increase fuel economy, and boost engine performance and horsepower. You can't put a price on that. B-Pro Auto air filters are a breath of fresh air for your customer's engine. Both the media and the casing are made from high-quality materials that prevent folding. They are competitively priced, OE-backed, fit most makes and models, and are covered by the B-Pro Limited Lifetime Warranty. For more information, visit our website at bproautoparts.com.